Let me. Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Osama, and today I'm playing Subway Surf with
me, Abudi, Ninja Boy 941.
Subscribe to him, and we made a spicy noodle challenge yesterday. So I'm making a Subway Surf just because it's actually not that popular on YouTube, right?
Yeah, I mean, okay, that's just bad. But still, like barely anyone does a Subway Surf video. Plus, only like 2 or 3 people.
Yeah, that's
Subway Surf videos.
That's why we're making Subway Surf videos. So like people, if they want to watch Subway, I thought
Whoa. So it's popular on non-gaming, but unpopular on gaming.
What?
I mean, popular on downloading, but unpopular on YouTube.
Me?
No, I'm talking about the Subway Surf. That's true, right?
Oh yeah.
Love it. Loser. I wonder what's the secret to using on nothing. We're totally not talking mentioning VFD. Okay. Yes. Swinging on my mind and money.
Oh yeah, guys. Shut up. Guys, this is right now. I'm the one playing, not a booty.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you if I'm playing.
Because he doesn't know how to play.
Dude!
Hey!
I know how to play. I played this game a lot sometimes. To be honest, it's pretty hard. Okay,
Jump Kamehameha.
oh my god, you literally jumped over that. If you had the jump boost in the magnet, that would be really overpowered.
Yeah. What? No, I didn't.
But
Okay, now it's a girlie's turn.
Shh.
Shut up.
Dude, I'm not a girl.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were a girl.
Yeah.
Now it's Ninja Boy 941's turn, and he doesn't know how to get any coins.
Dude, then how come I've already got like 33 coins? Sorry.
So literally just jump for only 50 coins, okay? 60 coins. That's weak.
Dude, you just started.
Weak.
What? No fair. I was too distracted on you. Okay, come on. Let's roll. Whoever you are.
Roll out. How do you die from that? That's the easiest thing to beat.
Dude, why are you making a song of everything? Oh yeah, by the way, now Osama's playing.
Yes, guys, and I'm gonna show how a true pro. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, that's my top run. My top run, not a Booty's, because he doesn't even have a top run. Years ago. So yeah, this is my top run.
I totally collected more than you.
Yeah, because I let you do that.
Okay, if I get more coins than you, which was 62, right?
No,
Yeah, you got 62 coins.
Wait. Oh, we're doing a competition. All right, after this we'll
you
get
got
to
60.
No, after this because
after this?
I'm gonna do serious mode. Smart. I thought you were going.
Of course, I would grab the magnet. Magnet is like one of the best power-ups.
Why?
What is it? That's why. Okay, I wish I had that magnet
You
with me.
can't use the skateboard. Only I can.
No fair. That would just
No
make it
one
unfair.
can use it. What do you mean? It's not unfair at all.
Yeah, not unfair.
Jump. Get the jetpack. Oh, you missed the jetpack.
Really? I didn't saw a
You
jetpack.
can rewind the video and see that nub right there.
Dude!
He thought there was a jetpack.
What do you mean
even though
he
there-
thought there was a jetpack? I didn't thought it was a jetpack. You are the one who thought there was a
No.
jetpack, you liar.
Blah. He thinks that everything I say is correct, which I said no.
No, I didn't think everything you say is incorrect.
Oh, really? not
Oh,
not everything,
really?
but
But I'm
jetpack.
just trying to give him pressure about the jetpack thing. I'm totally not gonna grab that star. I mean, who needs stars anyway?
Actually, you have to grab.
Oh,
okay, whatever.
At least I got more coins than you.
Your coins, 250.
You got
Actually,
like
no.
62.
This doesn't.
Okay, competition start now.
Okay, guys,
I'm gonna check your coins when you die.
shut up. I can see my coins later on after I'm dead. Okay. That's the shoe.
If it was a magnet, I would grab it. I would not grab it if I were you, except if it was a magnet. So we can, because coins are the key for the competition.
Actually, yeah, but that just got me like a lot of more coins. I almost just went left. I can't believe that. How did you die there though? Seriously.
Dude, I don't know.
Oh,
Jetpack, there we go. That's where you get the coin jumbo.
look at this. Boom. Boom.
You should have
Boom.
never got that jetpack.
One. Boom.
Okay.
I know. I saw the trophy, right?
That's not a trophy. That's like some kind of
No, no.
dabbing bird.
No, the
Well, it
bird.
looks like a dabbing bird for me.
No, it's the bird.
I would not go there if I were you. Except if I don't have the magnet.
Coins.
Coins are the key.
250, right?
No, the competition didn't start when I
Oh
played.
yeah. Okay. Okay.
Competition starts now.
Okay. I'll just make it so you can't defeat me at all. How about that? Is that fair?
Nope.
Of course it's fair because it's competition. Competition.
You think everything that's unfair is fair and everything that's fair is unfair.
What do you mean?
Yes, you do.
Because it's a competition, so I have to not let you win. I can't just let you win.
But like you said, I'm a noob, so of course you can.
What do you mean? Oh, so you are saying that you are a noob. Then why did you say like you said? And I just defeated my top score.
Whatever, I don't really care.
How this? It's either coins and top scores.
No, it's only coins.
No, because top score,
Dude, no fair.
okay, fine, coins.
I'm a coin collector, not a top score machine.
What do you mean?
Oh, nothing.
Because,
Now you're going too fast, even though you're still in type study speed. Now that's how a newbie you are.
okay, can you shut up?
Or shall I say,
Okay. Can you, Abud?
what? Just kidding. Why did you just say?
Okay, okay.
Whoa.
Another jetpack.
Dude, why are you getting so many jetpacks and I've gotten so far?
Okay. Don't. I'm literally getting all the coins.
Dude, you got so many coins. I think you're gonna beat that guy.
No, I should.
Oh, you should have went for that trophy.
Whoa.
Even though coins are the key for winning, trophies are the key for guarantee winning.
Actually, not only that, but it can give you a brand new character. You didn't know why?
I already knew that.
Okay. I thought I
Let's
would
go.
get that. Bruh. There's no way you're gonna beat this.
And there's no way this guy is gonna beat this.
Dude, if you let me out,
What do you mean let you out?
because hello.
Oh yeah, of course. Oh, you're so good at it! There's no way.
Save me.
No, don't
Okay,
cheat, don't cheat.
921, and the score is 25,000.
No, it's not on the score, you liar!
It's on the score and the money.
No, it's only for the money, we
because
said.
you're a gold collector and I'm a score.
Sorry, you
No,
collected
both.
way more coins than me.
Yeah, but still look at the score. So
double
both.
coins?
Both.
Double coins?
How about this? Score, both, and mystery box count. How that?
Mystery box counts? Okay, score, coin, and mystery box.
No, mystery box isn't fair because it could be like never in a round. So yeah. Yeah, just score points. So it can be a tie.
Only score points?
Yeah.
Oh, would you look at that? There's a mystery box.
Score and coins. What?
Surprisingly, I haven't got to the ground for a long time. Mama, help me. Just kidding, I don't need help, Mama. Oh no. I kind of been stupid and then... What?
Your speed is 3 times.
Yours as well, too.
Okay. No, I was 4. Or at least 3 times, but faster.
You were the same, dude.
Yeah, but how much times was it faster? Because I got the star. And then the star stopped, so it was so 3 times. You have to beat my score, yeah.
That'd be very funny if I just beat it in front of your own.
Oh, why
I should have got that. I didn't saw that, okay? Don't blame me, I'm not a blame-o, but you are.
This is probably a beautiful done.
Or is it? Dun dun dun!
But
For some reason I kept...
So yeah. Whoa!
That's what I
What? Wait! You got a mystery box, so you might actually be able to win in the coins. Okay, no.
But one key is better than coins, okay?
Yeah.
Keys are better than...
Yeah, totally. I already have 17 keys. Or 16 with 1 coin. With 1 key turns.
That's because you get...
Oh no,
That's
it's so
because you
hard.
get...
Oh no, I almost died.
Really?
Wow, you can't even.
I'm just gonna go and drink some water.
Okay. Okay, Abud, I'm totally not. Jetpack! And guys, I'm totally not gonna cheat. I just realized something. Oh, never mind. Sorry, guys. I thought it wasn't recording. Oh yeah, a mystery box. Mystery box. Oh, I almost just died. Okay, let's just see. Okay. Oh. Okay, guys, we're out of time for this video. So, bye. Bye, guys.